everybody, it's Neil. I'm back in the kitchen, and today I have this Macevia Start Your Comfortable Life comfortable blanket, and I think it's pink, but we're gonna give this thing a try and see how comfortable it is. It looks like it's shrink wrapped on here, so no easy way to open it. Here we go. Let's check this blanket out. And it is compression wrapped in here. Probably gonna get fairly big when I open it up here. Ooh, soft. And so this is what it looks like here. So this is Macevia, and it's got a nice little bow on the back. I'll try to keep the bow intact. See if I can do that here. And let's see how big this one is. It's super soft, super duper soft. And it is, there we go, big square, about, I'd say 5 feet, 6 feet by 6 feet maybe. 6 feet by 5 feet would be my guess. And it's super soft, and you can see the front of it looks all fluffy, and the back looks all fluffy too, so both sides are super fluffy. And got on the tag here, it says lightweight, ultra cozy, ultra soft and stylish. And got the little tag in here. Let's see where this thing is made in. Can't tell, but it says wash separately, 100% polyester, so that's good. So I can probably stick it in the wash machine. Yep, wash sexually, machine wash, under 30 degrees water, tumble dry, so we're good to go. So I'm gonna stick this in the wash and hopefully it'll come out good. Doesn't seem like it's getting too much fuzz on me right now, but we'll try it in the wash and see how it turns out. I'm gonna put a link to this in the description. Be sure to subscribe, or a link to this in the description. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. And if there's anything more about this, I'll let you know after it's washed. I'll put it in the comments or whatever. Thanks for watching, everyone. See y'all next time. Bye.